include 1.5 cups of water, 2 cups of sugar, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and a tablespoon plus 2 teaspoons of rose water. Here you see our syrup is pre-prepared. That's because it's really important to make a day in advance so it has time to chill and be poured on the baklava as soon as it comes out of the oven. To make your syrup, you will begin with either water and sugar, stirring continually while you wait for it to come to a boil. At that point, add in your lemon. After 2 minutes, add in the rose water, stir for a bit more, then take it off the stove, place it in a closed container, and store it in the refrigerator to chill overnight. Additional ingredients include 3 cups of nuts, phyllo dough, 1 cup of sugar, teaspoon of cinnamon, teaspoon of cardamom, melted butter, and a tablespoon of rose water. Here we have chosen pistachios for our nuts, but walnuts and cashews are very common ingredients as long as they are all unsalted. To make the baklava filler, add your nuts, 1 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of cardamom, and here a splash of rose water into your food processor. Continue to blend until you find the right texture. This is somewhere in between chunky, but no whole nuts still visible. Now begin placing the thin layers of dough on a buttered pan. Place 5 to 7 slices at a time, brush them with the melted butter, and continue to add layers until the pan is half full. Once both sides are done, begin to spread the filler across the dough. If there happens to be excess dough on the sides of the pan, cut it off and add it to the middle. After you have layered the phyllo dough on top of the filler, begin to cut the dough, first in rectangles, then to squares, and finally into triangles. When this is done, sprinkle some water on top of the dough and let it rest for 10 minutes. Preheat your oven to 375 and when it's ready, put it in. Watch over it for 30 minutes until it is golden brown. Once your baklava is out of the oven, immediately begin to pour your rosewater syrup on top of it. Here we have decorated our baklava with excess filler, but it is also common to see powdered sugar, the other nuts you have used, or finely blended pistachios.